Hi guys, making this little video here. I've got a R1200 GSA liquid cooled 2017 model. Got the BMW panniers fitted and also had the BMW top box fitted. Sadly for me, I do a lot of two-up riding and I wanted the benefits of a two helmet top box. So I've purchased the Givi 58 litre Trekker aluminium one. Ties in quite well with what I've got already. And I've been looking at fitting it. So I took a bit of time. The instructions take a bit of sort of looking at, and I'm going to point a few things out because I went onto YouTube and I've watched quite a few people fit these things, and they've either omitted parts of the fitting kit or they have put certain parts of the fitting kit in the wrong place. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is looking at the kit here. I've identified all the parts and I've laid them out. Now looking at this here in particular is this two pieces here. What I have seen on some of the videos is that yeah, people are fitting them. People are fitting in these two parts like that. And as you can see there, clearly nothing is ever going to be engineered to fit. If I can get the zoom right, to fit like that. Alright, there's two holes in this part here. And looking at the drawing, if we bring your attention to the drawing there, and I'd like to point out in particular this part here, then you will see that when fitting this, that should sit on the top. And then that there would then come underneath like that. So that's one of the errors that I've seen multiple times on YouTube. And I don't know what impact it's had on the fitting of the top plate, but it's something I felt I should point out. Another thing that I've noticed as well is that quite a lot of the videos that people have omitted from fitting this support bars. Now, yeah, the plate will fit to the top of here. However, I'm pretty sure that Givi, with all their expertise, wouldn't have went to the bother of manufacturing these things and putting it in their instructions. And they should sit there. As you can see, I've already taken out the two bolts and one bolt in there. If you look down through the top, there's another bolt there. So that then allows this plate or this support arm to locate in there and take its position, utilising the existing mounting bolt holes with the plates provided. Clearly we're going to have one on either side. That also needs to be fitted. And then all these, as everybody says, if you fit them loose, it should all come together quite well. And obviously do your pre-use check, size fitting with the plate. Again, Givi have engineered this, so if you're having to force anything, then it's you that's making the mistake and not Givi, certainly not the manufacturer. Another issue that I found is this plate here. I saw some people sandwiching it, effectively calling it a spacer and putting it there. That is incorrect. It needs to be underneath there, and it ties in with the top holes and it offers like a sandwich effect between the original BMW bar. So far, that's all the errors that I've found on YouTube with fitting this thing. I'm about to fit this myself for my 58 Trekker there. And if there's anything else that comes out as part of manufacturing and assembling this, I'll let you know. Thanks very much.